Welcome to Alexicom Tech. I'm going to show you how to publish your pages from our server or your subscription pro level to our free Alexicom AAC app. So you do need to be in the app, not Safari, when you're publishing pages. So I'm going to open up the Alexicom AAC app. And at the bottom, you'll see select a page, publish new, unzip, data, info, and settings. If you don't see this, you're probably in the Enable Auto Load Home page, which you need to turn off under the Alexicom settings in the general iPad settings. What I'm going to hit now is the Publish New, and it's basically taking you to the Alexicom server. Now, if you're not logged in, it will prompt you to log in. You can see I am already logged in here. Now, what it took me to automatically, once I am logged in, is the Publish Pages. But once you log in, you're going to hit Authoring Tools and Publish Pages, and it will take you to the Publishing tool. So now I'm going to select from my clients or the public library. You can see it will pull up whatever accounts you have as well as your public library. And I'm going to just select our public library child 1, and you can see it pulls up all the pages. Now if you want the full page set, you're going to hit select all. This will take some time, so be sure in your iPad settings that it never goes to sleep. It will interrupt any loading, and it won't complete and it won't work. So as long as your iPad doesn't ever go to sleep, it'll load fine. Because this is such a giant page set, it does take time to load. For the purposes of just walking through this, I am just going to load a few pages so it does go faster. So I selected a few, and this is what you're going to do as well if you do some editing online and you just want to change those pages in your app. Then you're going to select Merge. Replace would literally replace all of my page sets with just these 5, so you rarely ever want to use Replace. And then I'm going to hit Publish, and you can see that it is quickly unzipping all of these pages. Now please note I am using an older version of iOS. It looks very similar when you're doing iOS 7. All of the tools are the same. So you can see it zips pretty quickly, and then when it's finished, it will show click here to download. And like I said, when you're using iOS 7, it will look just a little bit different. Alright, so it finished downloading. I'm going to click here to download and complete the steps. Now you can see this blue line that quickly went across. In iOS 7, it is a little bit skinnier, and like I said, if it's a larger page set, it does take longer. So just hit that click here to download one time, and then be patient, and you will see a skinny gray line and then eventually blue. And that is how you publish your pages from our server to the free Alexicom AAC app.